Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Unomqebo Zuma, mntwana Jacob Zuma, lo washada na King Mswati the third last year. Ubalekile lapha ekhaya laMswati, wabuyela ekhaya kubo eNkandla. The 22 years old ayicedzanga ngisho neminyaka ishade na King Mswati. Uvele wabona umntwana ukuthi cha, lokhu njena angeke ngize ngikhone. Guys, uKing Mswati una 16 wives and he's old. And then she's only 22. And I was thinking, man, imali isho ukuthi inemandla. Ngalesikhathi ngiva ukuthi she's getting married to uMswati. Ngivele ngasho ukuthi cha, kusho ukuthi imali inemandla. Bantu bangamshada nemuntu njena lesekana idilana 90 for imali. And I was like, imali inemandla. And it is reported ukuthi girl have left her marriage to King Mswati the third of Eswatini, wahamba wabuyela kubo. It is alleged that a delegation from Swatini royal house but bafuna abuyele back girl abuyele back kuphi eSwatini, bayamfuna ukuthi she must return back la belonga khona. Nomqebo Zuma has hardly even spent a year in her marriage to King Mswati, and she was married mhlaka 4 September 2024, and babhadala tigidzi temarandi for yena. And uvele wabona umntwana ukuthi we la ngihlale ngedwana ngibhoreke leli khehla loku lihambile nje, ayikha mina ngibuyele ekhaya. So kuthiwa nje bamfuna back eSwatini, abuyele eSwatini because shadile wena uhamba njani, wena you now belong here. Senje asisekho isikhathi sokuthi wena uthi ubuyele ekhaya. And people are saying ukuthi girl, vele you are still young, sane bright future ahead of you, why bo choose Oli Kehla? Like why? And we know guys ukuthi this thing will probably something leyakhulunywa emindeni yabo ukuthi okay tothatha unomcebo naye ugelo tivumele cause besibona ukuthi ngalesikhathi isaqaleni yabo bahamba boyithuna ba-cross ema-border together yabo nje bahlezi baboyithuna, but it seems like kushabalele lokho because akasasenew phela nyala akasaselinyuwana nje ayisekho indzaba yakhe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Bye.